Georgia on my mind. Georgia, Georgia, a song for you comes sweet and clear as moonlight through the pines. Other arms reach out to me. Other eyes smile tenderly, still peaceful dreams. I see the road leads back to you. Georgia, Georgia, no peace will I find. It's just an old sweet song. It keeps Georgia on my mind.
Good job, man.
Oh, did he really orchestrate this?
Did you read the card?
He did. Wow.
He really did.
Oh.
You're pretty special.
Yeah, we had our first date April 24th.
Oh,
Or no, April 26th. It's April 26th, it's tomorrow.
good job, Ben.
Oh, that's so sweet. It makes her so beautiful. I made that candy so it's like double the pleasure.
So, send Ben a message.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you for 12 years of putting up with me, too. Oh, I love you.